Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome to Arshad Mandal channel, and you are watching the video of 12th class relational function chapter in mathematics. And we have already discussed in earlier video that how to recognize a one function and onto function. Here we shall learn it how to recognize the one function and onto function by taking an example. Here the question is given that a is equal to r minus 3. Do not read it like r minus 3. You will read it like that: a is equal to all real number except 3 and b is equal to all real number except 1. And now consider a to b. There is a relation which is defined by fx is equal to x minus 2 x minus 3. This function is defined like that, x minus 2 by x minus 3. We have to tell that whether this is a one function or onto function. To answer this question, first of all you must see my video number, previous video, means video number 8, where I have told you how to know the one function or onto function. So here to know the one function and onto function, here there I have told you if x1 is equal to fx2, then x1 is equal to x2. So if you put here instead of x1, then it will become x1 minus 2 and x1 minus 3, and if you put here x2, then here come x2 minus 2 x2 minus 3. If you solve it, I have not shown the solution here. If you solve it, then you will get x1 is equal to x2. Thus you can say that this is a one function as per the definition. And secondly, fx is equal to y. This fx is equal to you say y, which is a function of x. And now you can easily calculate from this portion that x is equal to 2 minus 3y by 1 minus y. So now if you want to find y, fy, function of y, if you want to find, then what you are observing? You are observing that fy means f of fx, because fx is equal to y. So f of fx, you have to put this number instead of x, and you are getting y, which is a function of x. So you can say that if you put x as a value and you are getting another y is a number, means if for each and every element of x there will be a element in y. So that is why this is called a onto function also. Thus from 1 and 2 we can say that this is 1 and onto. Hope you this video understand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you want to donate by school, then here are the details, and phone number is also given here. Till that, Khuda Hafiz.